We're going to do our thing here in the kitchen. We're making chicken spaghetti. You know, spaghetti is a staple in many homes because of how easy it is and because kids will eat it.
Yes.
And so we're changing it up a little bit today.
We are. We're going to, and chicken is a staple too.
Yes.
And today we're making chicken spaghetti. I've just kind of been in a comfort food mood lately. And this one is totally a comfort food. And also, you know, of course, kids are out of school, and this is just a super easy casserole to get together and have it ready. You know, you can reheat it whenever, you know, everybody's kind of eating at different times.
Is this one that would be good with freezing?
Yes,
Oh,
yes.
okay.
This one would be an awesome one for freezing. So if you're only a family of, you know, 2 or whatever, you could, you know, make it all and freeze some of it. And yeah, that's really a good point. And I've been trying to work on some different recipes for our delis. We have our new store in Robertsdale that I mentioned before. We bought the Winn-Dixie that closed in Robertsdale, so we're working on it and trying to get it open. So we're opening in a couple weeks, and so I've been just working on some recipes for the deli. And this is one that all of our delis make, and so I'm just kind of trying to, you know, put our spin on it so we can all have the same recipe. So it's been fun testing recipes. I make, you know, I come on here every week and cook, but not everything translates to our stores. Of course, the ingredients do, and you know, you can purchase everything there. But as far as our delis, so it's kind of been fun doing something a little different.
So with the store in Robertsdale, I know y'all were in the middle of moving. How is the progress so far?
We're still working on it. Let's see. So we put in some new meat cases. We have put in, you know, some new dairy and things like that, and working on getting all the groceries in there and filled up. So our grand opening is going to be on June 27th. So
not too far away.
No, not too far away. So we're really excited. I know.
That.
So, you know, we've served the Robertsdale community for years and years and years. So we're just happy to get a bigger store where we can offer more, and we'll have, you know, a full deli bakery, and we're really excited.
And you were also talking about the access to 59 as well.
Yes, so there's a traffic light, and that was a big, you know, obstacle with our store down the street, is there just wasn't a traffic light to get in and out. So it was kind of hard, but of course at this shopping center there's a traffic light, and so it'll be super easy to get in and out, especially if you're headed to the beach or whatever. So we're excited about it. Always something new going on.
Well, I know Joe's excited because you have cheese and big blocks of it.
I know, big blocks of it. Spira and I were joking last night. I buy everything, most everything, Best Choice, which is one of our private labels. And a lady came up to me yesterday when I was in Grand Bay, and she said, you know, I just love this store. I shop here all the time, and thank you so much for lowering the prices. So our prices in all of our stores are just so competitive with everybody out there these days, and price is so important to people. And we have national brands too, but if you want to save, you know, even more, then you can go with one of our private labels. So we were joking, you know, this is kind of the private label Velveeta, but it's called Party Melt. So I thought that was hysterical.
Why not?
Party Melt.
Who doesn't like a party and a melt?
I know. So this casserole is definitely.
Joe got real excited.
I know, he liked that. So this is definitely a party. So we're taking half of our big thing of Party Melt, so it's going to be 1 pound, and we're just going to melt it, and we're going to add 1 can of diced tomatoes with chilies, which is the, you know, of course, knockoff Rotel.
So I'm trying to do my job.
I haven't turned it on. You want to turn it on for me?
Yeah, that would be important.
And I have the pasta pot.
What you need it on?
How about 5?
Okay.
So we'll just start melting this together, and we're going to boil our noodles, and you could use, you know, spaghetti. I just bought linguine today, but whatever you want to use, you could use penne. So we're just going to get this melted together. It's going to come together super quick.
All right, we'll continue to work on this. Joe is working on the soccer ball over in his chair. I feel like we might have to take it away from him because he's distracting. He's throwing it, kicking it.
Yo,
Who's he calling? Who's he calling?
Of course.
You coming over for the World Cup tonight? I got Party Melt! What up?